It's my 67 Cadillac Eldorado, and I just rebuilt the starter and I'm doing a startup on it. It's been sitting for a long time. Has the 429 V8, 480 foot-pounds of torque, 10 to 5 to 1 compression, and 340 horsepower. Here we go. Pretty cool. You're going to treat this thing to a gas cap. Yeah, I have my work cut out for me, that's for sure. Go for a little test drive. These people have no idea what kind of quality of a car this is. They just see a piece of junk and they're all kind of like, ah, look at that guy in that piece of junk. Yeah, well, this piece of junk is a hell of a lot better than all these other little freaking scatty-ass cars. This thing actually has value to it. I see a sick-ass Cadillac. I don't see the junk. Anyway, she runs, she drives, she shifts good. She's like on cloud 9.